Now it's time to talk about the most important and the crux of the Ansible is playbook. So now let's create a playbook. So playbooks are automation blueprints in AML format that Ansible uses to deploy and configure managed nodes. It's that simple. So we use a playbook. It's as a blueprint. So using this playbook, we can deploy and configure the managed nodes or host machines or target machines from the control machine or the mission Ansible machine. So that's what the playbook is. So playbook consists of a list of plays. So if you see this, a playbook consists of a list of plays. Here we have only one play, but normally it consists of a list of plays that define the order in which Ansible perform operations from top to bottom to achieve an overall goal. Then a play. So a playbook consists of number of plays. This playbook consists of only one play. It's a single play playbook. So play is an ordered list of tasks that maps to managed nodes in an inventory. So if you see this in this play, so the play name is my first play, and then host name is given. So its virtual machine is the host name, and this one virtual machine host name will be mapped with the inventory, and inventory this virtual machine name will be mapped with the IP of the machine, so that when you call virtual machine it will be connected to the IP, and that machine, whatever the play that you have mentioned, will be executed in that machine. That's how a playbook works. Then it consists of a tasks. So task, a list of one or more modules that define the operations that Ansible performs. Here in this case, you just want to ping the host, and then for that you use ansible.builtin.ping, or you want to type a message, a print message, ansible.builtin.debug hello world. So that's it. These are the simple activities that it's a simple the first and simplest playbook. Okay, so we will do the simplest playbook, as well as we will do the difficult one. So then, so after that, what we have, so is the module. So module is a unit of code or binary that Ansible runs on managed nodes. So to do this, the procedure is, let's open the terminal window on control node or control machine, and then create a new playbook file, and then after that you execute that playbook file. That's how it works. So then we'll write a playbook exercise and we'll execute that playbook exercise now. So for that I will before that, I just want to take you through the Ansible documentation of creating playbooks. Okay, so here we'll start using Ansible playbooks. So first let's look into Ansible playbooks syntax. So the playbook execution, here is the playbook syntax, and you can see the one example. The first play targets the web servers, the second play targets the database servers. Okay, so here this example consists of how many plays. So tasks, here are the tasks. Here this is the first play. Here the ML file opens, and then this is a first play, and this is the second play. It consists of two plays, and this is a first play. In the first play, the name of the play is update web servers, and host web servers. Hosts is the web server name, and then a remote user is the root. So normally we are using normal users, but here it's mentioning directly root user. So then the tasks to be done is this, and here update the DB servers. The task to be done is this. So inside that these tasks are mentioned. So inside that you have ansible.builtin.m. These are the modules. Okay, so update the web server and update DB server. So here we can say update the web server and update DB server. So this how it's work, and then you have to go for the text execution. So when you want to execute, then you type Ansible playbook, and then you give the playbook file name, and then this is one way, or else you have to mention the inventory file also to completely have this. Okay, so now let's get into that and we will do the exercise.